Hey, what's up guys? Keith Weldon here from Chill Seekers, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Hellboy Ouija board. Okay, so I recently bought the Hellboy Talking Board, which is a Ouija board, and I know there's some limited edition versions of this that have, I think there's only 500 made. It comes in a wood box, has like a pouch and some extra things that come with it. I don't believe this is the limited edition. This looks like a cardboard. So I don't believe this is the limited edition version, but still pretty cool nonetheless. It's still in its plastic wrap. So I'm going to actually open this up right now. Give me a second. Okay, so I took the plastic wrap off. Let me see if I can open this up. It's kind of stuck on there. There we go. So this is pretty much brand new. It's not wanting to come out. Okay, so open this. There we go, there's the lid. And right off the bat, you see the board. So here's the board. Pretty cool looking. I like this. I like the graphics they used for it. It's pretty sturdy. Here's the planchette. This is a nice planchette. It's made out of wood. So that's pretty cool. And here is the instructions. So here's the instructions. There's 3 steps here. And down here at the bottom, it says not to be used for the invocation of demons. So that's pretty cool. And then here looks like some kind of sticker or something as well inside. So yeah, this is definitely the regular cardboard version of the game. Like I said, there is a limited edition one that they made 500 of. I was wanting to get my hands on one of those, but they are a lot more expensive. And it's pretty much the same board, the same planchette, instructions, but I believe it comes with like 2 other things, like a pouch and something else. But as far as the board and planchette, I believe they're exactly the same as the limited edition. So that's it, guys. This is the Hellboy Ouija board, Hellboy Talking Board, and it's pretty cool. I'm excited to use this, so I'm gonna wait until later when Carissa gets home, and we're going to do a session here using the Hellboy Talking Board.
Is there anyone here that would like to communicate with us?
Did you move that for real?
I didn't move it.
It takes a lot to move this one. You can hear that there's like a lot of friction against the board. Who are we speaking with? I feel like I'm like moving. My hands are so loose on here. D. We were talking to D. Who are we talking to? D what?
What? DW?
Oh, you know, it was RW that lived here. Who's DW? Is DWT your initials? Hello, are you still there? What is that, O? W, O. I. P.
W.
O, I, P, F.
What are you trying to spell? What's W-O-I?
Can you spell full words?
Can you use this board very well?
Yeah, I see it.
Mhm.
It's like squeaking slowly to know. Okay. It's hard for us
Bring it
too.
back over. Yeah, it doesn't. What it is, it's not gliding. You want me to try a different planchette?
I do.
Different planchette?
Yeah. We're going to try a different planchette so that way maybe you can move it easier.
I don't know if it's the board or the planchette.
We'll find out. Are you still there? You try this planchette? All right. Hello.
Can you give us your initials to your names?
EW.
Can you spell the first 3 letters of your first name, please? Starts with the D.
It's weird.
Damn.
That's 5 twice.
Hmm?
Damn, 5.
Or it could
Or just go in the center.
Yeah. Dan. W. Is our kid messing with us though?
No, dude, that's not cool.
And what's the first 3 letters of your last name? W-O-R.
Are you a female or a male? Can you tell us that with an F or an M? Are you male or female? Dan Moore, W-R-R. If you were human and you've passed away, how old were you when you passed away? Oh, you lived a nice long life then. Were you happy? I wonder why they're here. Why are they here talking to us? Can you tell us what city you passed away in?
Was it Ceres or Modesto? Or was it here on this land, in this area?
Pulling back to the center.
Did you die where this house is today?
Are there others with you that can move around? Are there any that can cause us harm?
Is that 4 females?
interesting because normally when I encounter spirits here, they're male. Normally encounter female spirits here. It's normally male spirits that I encounter here.
Well,
or male energy.
That's what we're talking to, right?
Yeah.
Alright, or do you want to wrap it up? Well, thank you for communicating with us, Dan. Or
Thank
Daniel.
you.
We will talk to you later.
We appreciate it that you did come, but you do have to leave. We do have to say goodbye to you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
So that's it, guys. That was the Hellboy Talking Board. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't yet done so, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it if you want on social media. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram at ChillSeekers. Also, please visit chillseekers.com, and I'll see you later.